Do you want to speak English better? Do you want to sound more natural and confident? Then welcome to Begin Learn English Stories. In this video, you will practice English using the shadowing technique. It is a simple and powerful way to improve your speaking. Here is how it works. Listen carefully to each sentence. Pause the video, repeat the sentence out loud. Copy the voice, the speed, and the emotion. You can watch this video many times. The more you practice, the better your English will become. Are you ready? Let's begin today's story. My name is Lena Moore. I am 26 years old. I work as a makeup artist for actors. Most people don't see my face, they see my work. Every morning, I arrive before everyone else. I prepare brushes, colors, lights, mirrors. I make actors look strong, tired, sick, beautiful, or broken, whatever the role needs. But no one asks my name. When a scene is good, they praise the actor. When a face looks real, they praise the camera. I stand quietly in the corner and clean my tools. I don't complain. I love my job. I love watching people become someone else. At night, when everyone goes home, I stay. I practice in front of the mirror. Not makeup, acting. I copy emotions, sad eyes, happy smiles, silent pain. No one knows. One day, something unexpected happened. An actress was sick. The director was angry. The schedule was tight. Then he looked at me and said, "Can you step in for one short scene?" My heart started beating fast. I wanted to say no, but my mouth said yes. They put makeup on me, my own hands shaking. The lights turned on, the camera rolled. The scene was simple, no words, only emotion. I looked into the camera and remembered all the nights alone, all the times I was invisible, all the feelings I never shared. Tears came naturally. The room went silent. "Cut," the director said quietly. No one spoke for a moment. Then someone started clapping. That short scene changed everything. The clip was shared online. People asked, "Who is she?" Comments appeared everywhere. "She feels real." "She doesn't act, she lives." I was still doing makeup in the mornings, but now people stopped and looked at me. The director offered me a small role, then another, then another. I didn't become famous overnight. But something changed inside me. I wasn't hiding anymore. Months later, I walked onto a set, not as a makeup artist, but as an actress. I still do my own makeup sometimes. It reminds me where I came from. I learned something important. You don't need a loud voice to be seen, you need truth. And sometimes, the world discovers you only when you stop hiding your talent. Now it's your turn. Play this video again. Pause after each sentence. Repeat what you hear. Practice shadowing. Practice confidence. Practice believing in yourself. This is Begin Learn English Stories, where you improve English through real emotions and real stories. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning English. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next story.